Hi, so my name is Melissa. I'm a student at NYU and hosting Friendsgiving in my really small apartment for the first time, and I don't know how much turkey or how big a turkey I should buy.
Generally speaking, a pound per person if you're going to roast a turkey, but depending on how small your apartment actually is, you might want to think about alternatives. For my Friendsgiving, I often make a turkey meatloaf, which is delicious and fun and easy, and you can make them as fancy. You know, you can roll them with all types of interesting fillings. And you can also buy turkey breasts. You can buy a single turkey breast for every 4 people is a good guideline. It's easier for you to roast. It'll roast a lot quicker, and it'll be a lot easier to get in and out of the oven if you're dealing with a tiny kitchen and a tiny space than trying to do a whole turkey. Anyway, have fun with your friends.
Thank you.